Hi there, I'm Raksha from Nifty Analysis. Welcome back to our levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty for this expiry. Well, this expiry is going to be a little bit tricky. The reason being is, if you see since like 19th, we have the higher highs and it is trying to give you the new higher highs. The last one was on 25th of November, which was around like in Bank Nifty it was 30,190, and in Nifty it is today, which was around 13,177. So now the thing is that for tomorrow's expiry, what would be the things and what should be the levels we should take care of while taking any kind of trades. So let us start with Bank Nifty without wasting any time further. In Bank Nifty, there are a lot of pivots. The reason being is it is in a kind of a range bound movement, not a definite trend here right now. So what exactly right now is happening is that it is although making a higher high and higher lows, but from last 25th it has made a lower high but a higher low. So not getting much more technical into this, the reason I'm just giving you this explanation is that because of this sideways range bound movement and sideways movement, the consolidation part, we have so many tightly packed pivots here in Bank Nifty, especially right now. So what exactly we have to do and how to do the trading part is what I feel. For tomorrow's expiry, what will happen is the prices will be testing the levels of around 29448.55. If I just round it up for you, then it would be 29448. So what I feel is it would be testing this level again and then going back for 29695 to 29786, these levels here. What exactly happening at this moment is I am feeling that this will be testing back the 30,000 and 30,190, not even that, but higher highs of 30,400, around 400 to 421. So that should be the new higher highs. So if I connect the dots here, so let us just take the help of trend line here. I would just simply connect the dots here, this point to this point. It is converging exactly at the level which I have mentioned here, and this level comes out to be 330,750. So what exactly what is happening here is I am feeling that for tomorrow's expiry, especially for tomorrow's expiry, what you have to do is just wait for a retest of 29,448 or 29,450, this range, and wait for a breakout of 29,560. Once this is broken, go for a long side for a tight targets of 29,695, then 29,728 to 86, this range. So first of all, if you go for any kind of buys, just wait for a breakout of 29,560. For sell side, the breakout of 29,448 is your entry level for sell. Once it is done, this breakout is done and a valid breakout is there, just the targets downside are 29,332 to 29,268, which I have already mentioned here, and later on that would be around at 29,095, the lows of this. What I am feeling right now, personally, in my opinion, I would be going for more for the bullish side than for the bearish side for tomorrow. So as you know, this is expiry and a lot of drama is there, in especially in the indices. So I'll keep you updated about the levels, about these things. So let us jump to Nifty now. All favorite, my favorite, your favorite. Nifty on another side, what this level of 13,127, this level is the level which is there, which is kind of, you can say, a confirmation for a bullish trend for around a price of 13,410 as your ultimate bullish target for now. From here we can see some kind of reversal of Nifty, but still that's a long story. Right now we're talking about the expiry for tomorrow, that is like expiry for Thursday, 3rd of December 2020. 2020. So in Nifty, what I am feeling is I am not going to go long as it just retests my level of 13137.75, which is last week's high. Although it has given us a breakout, then a retest is yet pending, because an earlier 1st of December it did give us a breakout, but it was a failed breakout, and then it just went back and just tested the levels of the support of 13,036. And in the last session of 2nd of December, that is yesterday's trading, it just simply gave you a good bounce back to my level of last week's high, that is 13137. Now what I am feeling is it might be testing back the levels of 13137.75 to 13111, a very fancy number. So just make a mark of this number, because this is also the confluence point of pivot of Fibonacci. Okay, so this is the level which I am looking for a retest here, and once this retest is done, my entry would be at the breakout of 13137.75 with the targets of 13127 and 13262 to 13253. The range of this would be the new higher high for Nifty tomorrow, that is technically today, on 3rd of December. So this is my new higher high of Nifty. Further than that, 13,410 is the ultimate high which I am actually looking for. Now coming to the another side of the story, that is the sell side, the short side story. So for the short side story, the break of 13,111 will give us a more further downside levels, but I will not short anything unless it gives me a breakout of 13,080, 13080. So just mark this level. This is very important level here. This level of 30, this range is very important for any bearish move. So until and unless this range is broken, a breakout of 13,080 is my entry for any sell side entry. If you are a scalper or if you are aggressive trader, keep the upper levels of 13,111 and 13,137 as your levels of important pivots. So keep these levels in your mind. If you're scalping, be very careful if you're shorting from the CMP. But if you are looking for some good moves here, 13,080 is the level where I will be shorting Nifty for the targets of 13,055, then 13,036 to 13,021 as the level of support. But as I was bullish in Bank Nifty, similarly I am bullish in Nifty too, looking for a retest again. A very important part is that a retest is important, and as soon as it is given, or if we talk about the immediate resistance, so immediate resistance would be the higher highs of this. So this comes out to be around, if I check the higher high of this, 13,177 to around 13,168. So just let me quickly write these levels for you. So it is 13,177 to 13,168. So the immediate level of resistance 177 to 13,168. So this is my immediate resistance. Let me just unmark the magnet here. This range is my immediate resistance. If you are not getting any retest, then you can go long here on the breakout of this immediate resistance, the highest highs of this range. This range is broken. 13127 is the first target, 13262 to 13253, this is the second target for tomorrow for expiry. Be very careful because this expiry is going to be tricky. So be very careful while you are trading, and just take care of the levels which I have mentioned here. If you have any doubt, I will be available on Twitter with the handle ID of @RAKZ@27, or you can reach out us on our company's Twitter handle of Nifty_analysis. So just be very careful, guys. Trade safe, be safe, and it is your hard-earned money. So just don't waste it on any kind of stupid trades. And if you are a subscriber of Bhumi, make sure along with these levels also take a note of the levels of NSE, Bhumi NSE, for at least of 1 hour to 1 day. Just check out for any kind of resistance or any kind of support is there. As I know, if I have seen, there is certain kind of resistance in Nifty on a weekly basis. So just go on your chart, check out for this, and be very safe while you're trading. Anyways, we are available live on our channel for any kind of support. Thank you, guys. Be very, very, very careful while you trade on expiry, because it's a day when most of the people lose their lot of money, and I don't want any of you to just lose any kind of money. So just take care, be safe, and trade safe. Bye bye. Signing off, Raksha from Nifty Analysis.